Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to share a real-time transformation story of one of my happy patients who's undergone a complete detoxification procedure with Unani approach, having a balanced diet and lifestyle modification done. And this has truly helped her heal internally, and I can see that radiant glow on her face. So I want you to hear out in her own words. Walaikum Assalam.
I was going through a phase in my life where I was not in a very good space physically, emotionally, mentally.
Okay.
And so I thought maybe I need some sort of help, and I thought of hijama therapy if it helps me detox. And so I came across the doctor's Instagram page, and then I came in. And when I had my first NUBS treatment, the doctor was like, we just cannot start off with anything.
Yeah,
false
diagnosis.
Underlying issues with regard to anxiety, sleep, and then we have to go a step-by-step approach to it. And so we started off with medication, detox, then we had hijama therapy, and then we had a couple of other skin detox and other therapies. It was a long journey of 1.5 years, which we were consistent with the follow-ups and everything. And I could see like a complete change, which helped in lifestyle modification, like physical exercise, diet. So it was a whole approach that went into this transformation. And
was this your first time trying Unani medicine for the health concerns?
Actually I've tried Unani before because my father used to believe in Unani a lot.
Okay, that's really nice.
Yeah, but I've never gone through like this consistent long-term approach with regard to even mental health, even physical health, and like even to help emotionally with a lot of other medications, the herbal medications and everything. So yes, but this whole journey was like a first-time experience. I didn't know that we could heal mental health issues as well with Unani.
Oh yes.
Which is a very less known fact to everybody.
Yeah, I get it. And how different was this approach, like having a personalized approach in Unani medicine and then having a general approach for your concerns?
Like generally I don't think any doctor or any place that you go to put in so much effort in terms of patients. When it's personalized, there's a lot of trust that goes in, and then it's a two-way thing which takes a lot of time and effort, and which is really appreciated that so much effort goes into to follow through.
There's a consistency
because it's for you.
Yeah, it's completely designed for you.
Exactly.
Yeah. So what is your suggestion? Like after this transformation, how do you feel people should approach Unani medicine as for detoxifications?
So I feel like everyone should give it a try, not only when you have medical concerns, but even if you're looking for like a healthy change, a change in lifestyle, you should definitely give it a shot, because obviously it doesn't come with other side effects. It's completely natural, and it helps you overall, like in terms of focus, in terms of everything. You can just give it a try.
Yeah, thank you so much for trusting Unani medicine. I hope you inspire many people around to take up a healthy lifestyle with the Unani approach. Thank you.